Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used and Rig Ready Approved. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful brand new 2026 Ram 1500 Tradesman, guys. So it comes with that inline-6 3-liter Hurricane engine underneath the hood. Beautiful Serrano Green paint job with your adaptive cruise control also in the front there for you. Coming around the side here, as you can see, running boards already installed. You won't need to worry about those. As we get into your passenger seat, you'll have your storage here, glove box, cloth seats, and then you can see into your center console a little bit there with all the storage you'll get. Power windows, locks. As we get into the back seat here, this will fully lift up, giving you some storage for some things under there. Your mat will also lift up, giving you your Ram storage underneath there as well. Coming around the back here, so you will have backup camera already installed, trailer tow, so you can tow whichever you need to. Soft dropping tailgate, as well as you will have your bed hook so you can strap down anything you might need. Rear sliding window for you guys. Here's where you'll find your fuel tank into the back seat from this angle. The power windows, you'll have your little bit of storage there. Drop this back down. Here you will have your blind spot control as well as your heated mirrors getting into your driver's side. So dial shifter, full leather wrapped wheel, 8.4-inch display, as well as a couple different things there. You can see all your different controls with your AC and that such. If the truck interests you, give us a call, 780-942-3629.